You can take screenshots on your Redmi Note 15 Pro by pressing volume down and power button once and release. That takes a screenshot. Or you can swipe down to the control center, tap on this screenshot button here. That will take a screenshot as well. And then you can also take screenshots with gestures. So for one, if you swipe down the screen with 3 fingers, that takes a screenshot, as you can see. And also, if you press and hold with 3 fingers, you can actually take a partial screenshot. So you can actually just draw around the area you want to screenshot and then tap on save, and that's going to take a screenshot of that particular area. Now all screenshots are saved in your gallery, so if you simply just go to your gallery, you should find all your screenshots there, right? Now for the gesture screenshots, which means they swipe down and they press and hold to take partial screenshots, you have to enable those in the settings. So if you go into settings and then under settings, scroll down to additional settings, tap on that, and then you go to gesture shortcuts. You can actually see there's a 3 finger down for screenshots. You can turn this on or off, and also partial screenshot. You can turn this off or on. Thanks for watching and good luck.